Hello and welcome back. You're watching the Arthritis Show. Joining us today exclusively in our studio is the Qigong master and a physician of acupuncture, Dr. Woody Shwartz. Doc, welcome again.
Hi,
it's great to have you.
Thank you very much. Thanks for inviting me.
Excellent. Doc, for people out there who don't know what Qigong is, and this is the first time they hear that term, can you explain that to them, please?
Okay. Qigong is an ancient, thousands of years old. Most of us have heard of Tai Chi, the movement like a dance. And Qigong is the parent of Tai Chi. It's where the energy comes from. So it goes back to the time of acupuncture. And in acupuncture, we have a series of meridians, like rivers running through the body. Lungs, large intestine, stomach. Let me pull this guy up here.
Yes, that'd be the best.
Yeah.
We also have a video of you in action. I want our director to pull out that video if possible.
See this little guy? He's got all these like rivers or energy all flowing. They're where I put the acupuncture needles. So if there's an imbalance in the body, they'd put a needle in that point, or I'm sure that today people are injecting different things in those points to open the flow of energy. When those points are imbalanced, what happens is the person has some form of dis-ease. Now, you can't go to the doctor every day and say, I need an injection, I need a needle, I need this. So what the Qigong does is it teaches you and shows you how to move the energy through your body and keep yourself healthy. It's a form of exercise, like you were talking about weight loss. Most people don't exercise. They don't take the time. And these exercises are different than calisthenics or football. These are internal exercises where you're working the lungs and the heart, you're working the liver and the spleen and the kidneys. You work the organs so you stay strong and healthy in the inside. If the organs are healthy, because the organs get the qi flowing through it, and what follows qi is blood. So if you get blood to all those organs, you stay healthy. You throw out the cancers.
Absolutely. Our body thrives on blood. Blood brings oxygen, nutrients, and everything your body needs to heal and thrive. So that's the key thing. And so first qi comes in, and then blood will follow it.
Exactly. That's right. You want to get something flowing. So how do you get the flow? Well, you start tracing the meridians, or you put a needle in it, or you inject in it. But then what are you going to do the other 5 days of the week or 6 days? When you start to do the movements, you're starting to do these different movements, and you're training yourself to get the energy to move. Once the energy moves and it's flowing, no more pain, because blood's in there. You know, we all know, if the organs are getting sufficient energy, oxygen and blood, you feel good.
And what I tell my patients, the ones who are skeptic, I tell them, look, 3,000 of Chinese medicine, 3 or 5,000 years of Chinese medicine couldn't possibly be wrong. And there is certainly, I've seen it firsthand that how well it works on a lot of patients. Now, one of the key areas to do acupuncture, Doc, we were told that one of the key areas is here, that if you could, we've been telling patients that if you massage this area, one of these acupressures.
Exactly. Large intestines 4, right there, that point. Ooh, and it's painful sometimes. But I do this for headaches, massaging that.
Massage it for a few minutes.
Right. Just a few minutes and get it going. And what it does, the large intestines meridians, your large finger, and it goes from this point, it goes all the way up the arm, like to your mustache and the other side of the nose. So when you open that up, lungs and large intestines work together. So it opens your breathing, and it gets everything flowing. If there's no blockages in the stomach and the oxygen's coming in, most likely you're going to feel well.
Fantastic. Well, we're going to take a break at this point. When we come back, Dr. Schwartz is going to do a demonstration of Qigong for us. Let's go for a break.